Get the list of sources used in student assignments with the Sources of Similarities page. On this page, you have access to detailed information for each source detected. The sources added by the user enrich the analysis by adding offline documents or documents that were absent from the document database at the moment of the analysis. They benefit from an advanced comparison, which allows the detection of similarities even in the event of reformulation or translation into most languages. To do this, simply add a source and launch the analysis. The list of main sources is a valuable asset to check the referencing of the borrowed passages. With one click, you can choose whether or not to include similarities with the sources mentioned and passages in quotation marks. Each source is displayed with an icon representing the type of origin. The main sources identified are classified according to the percentage of similarity from the highest to the lowest. The name of the source is indicated, as well as its origin, the rate of similarities, the locations, and some additional informations. To easily check whether it is a copy-paste or a reformulation, you can compare each passage with the original source by clicking on the title of the source or in More Actions. It is also possible to ignore a source, which will therefore be hidden. The similarity score is recalculated automatically. For some main sources, you can display secondary sources. These are texts that have been found in several sources. For confidentiality reasons, when the source comes from another institution, only identical passages are visible. To find out their origin, contact Compilatio support. Sources with incidental similarities include texts for which the number of identical words is not sufficiently significant. Ignored sources remain accessible below and can be restored at any time. Finally, in the reference sources without similarities detected, you obtain the list of quoted references for which no correspondence was found. We advise you to check the referencing and accuracy of these sources. After refining your results, you have the option to download the original document, an analysis attestation, or an analysis report. The analysis attestation presents the percentage and location of suspect passages, the similarity score, unrecognized languages, and the origin of the detected sources. Magister Plus users can also view the score of content potentially generated by AI. The analysis report includes all the elements of the analysis attestation, as well as all of the extracted text, with the location of the sources of the detected similarities. These documents allow you to extract, archive the results, and use the document as a basis for discussion with the student to define areas for improvement. In some cases, this allows the information to be transmitted to a certifier or to a disciplinary committee. You have discovered the features of the Source of Similarities page of your Compilatio Magister and Magister Plus Analysis report. Continue to explore other software tools in video.
Cette vidéo vous a été présentée par mon avatar réalisé à l'aide d'une intelligence artificielle.